I just really wanna be with you. Sure, Shamsa, I just really need. Sure, I just really wanna be with you. Sure, just let me ride and be with you. Sure, I just wanna be with you. You're my ride or die. Sure, I'ma kill for you. Sure, I'ma ride because of you. Sure, I just wanna be with you. You're my ride or die. I just wanna be with you. Each and every day make me wanna die with you. Shit don't make no sense, want me to ride with you. When I first met you, couldn't believe in my eyes. Something came to me that I must approach you. Hey baby, you make me bad. You make me become the nigga you always have. Don't care what they say, cause they always wanna make us look bad. And you're gorgeous, you always be my #1 queen. Shorty, I've been through a lot of shit. Baby, it's a blessing to be with you. Sure, Shamsa, I just really need. Sure, I just really wanna be with you. Sure, just let me ride and be with you. Sure, I just wanna be with you. You're my ride or die. Sure, I'ma kill for you. Sure, I'ma ride because of you. Sure, I just wanna be with you. You're my ride or die.
You're my ride or die, true love. Wanotlanga nukuranzani kapimbile waitata mashuga and spice ngekutiki nkatanga la unagisa muranga twala van night ans ungawari swita dla swilo spamba na munkar ungawari swita dla neta kushabela sotan ye my baby wanchama une endla neva high mbelo lewa ekhata mana mwina tantan sesilo wanyangwa kanbula loyo waswes wametlola basese no photo mkan page wana loye can't get lay type ya mean loko noko lo zambelo yenga team ungachiwo ye my baby never nekotik Luba shame, fita xpengo xa me, u ta tshama na me, u va nsati wa me, ni kumbexana rinki honeymoon Dubai.